Good morning.
Good morning.
Whoever causes one of these little ones who believe in me to sin, it would be better for him if a great millstone were put around his neck and he were thrown into the sea. In other words, Jesus is telling us, do not be a source of scandal. Do not be a stumbling block. Huwag kayong maging dahilan ng ikatitisod ng inyong kapwa. Huwag kayong maging dahilan ng pagkakasala ng inyong kapwa. Because the Lord said, anyone who causes any of these little ones to sin because of their life, because of their word, because they have been scandalized, mabuti pa sa inyong talian ng malaking bato sa leeg at ihagis sa dagat. In other words, the Lord is telling us how grave a sin it is when we become the source of scandal. That is why I am careful as a priest. And you should also be careful, no? Because you go to Mass every day, you are active Catholics, no? Let us be careful with what we say or how we live or how we behave, because people are looking at us at masama kapag sabihin ng tao, naku, pari pa naman yan. Naku, taong simbahan pa naman yan. Ganyan ang ugali. And they walk away from the church because of us. But my dear sisters and brothers, another question that I ask you this morning is this. Are we still scandalized? Sabi ng Panginoon, do not be a source of scandal. But the question that I ask you this morning is, are we still scandalized? Or our level of tolerance to evil has grown so high that we are no longer scandalized. When we hear, for example, a government official, stealing money from the government funds, and our reaction would be, pare-pareho din naman yan eh. We're no longer scandalized. Kapag narinig natin yung ating kaibigan na merong number 2, sasabihin na, lahat naman yan eh, gumagawa ng ganyan. Minsan nga pinupuri pa, ang galing mo pare paano mo nalulusutan yan? When we see corruption in the government, when we see corruption in private sector, when we see corruption in the church, are we still scandalized? Yun ang malungkot. Kasi sa ibang tao, para sa ibang tao, naging pangkaraniwan na yon. I always, if there is a chance, I always tell this story. I did not see it myself. But you know Ann Curtis, no? The singer. Well, the singer, in quotation mark. No? I think it was in a noontime show when Ann Curtis, I think, sang or something. And Vice Ganda said, alam mo, Ann, yung boses mo, hindi namin gusto eh. Para yung corruption sa gobyerno, hindi namin gusto, nasanay na lang kami. Nasanay na lang ba tayo? Nasanay na lang ba tayong nakakarinig ng pagnanakaw? Nasanay na lang ba tayong narinig ng pagpatay? Nasanay na lang ba tayong narinig ng pangangaliwa? Nasanay na lang ba tayong makarinig ng paggawa ng kasalanan? Naging manhid na ba tayo na hindi na tayo nakukonsensya kapag may nakikita tayong mali? I think that is a better question to ask. Are we still scandalized? Amen.